Momentum is a pretty spectacular phenomenon of nature. We can't escape its force. I read once that we are moving in 5 different directions, all the while sitting in your lounge chair. The Earth spins on its axis, the Earth rotates around the Sun, the solar system moves through space, our galaxy is moving through the cosmos. Finally, the Virgo supercluster, our cluster, is moving based on universal gravitational effects. All that aside, let's head back to the Batcave and check out momentum on our screens. Be sure to keep that motion sickness bag handy just in case. This week's indicator is based on momentum, obviously, and has an easy-to-decipher display with simple signals. It's called smooth momentum, which suggests its function and came to us in 2015. Although, it's been around for a couple thousand years, the concept anyways. It appears as a below chart, midpoint, confirmation indicator. There are a few details about the midpoint we dissect in the blog, so be sure you head over there to see what we're doing. Let's get this race started. We've got the first short signal soon after price has turned to the south side. Let's see how smooth this thing really is. Okay, we'd have profited on the first half of the trade before price backed over itself and created a new signal. Let's see how this long does. That would have been a nice run with some great pips. Had you used this as your exit signal, it would have come a bit late, but you'd still have made a few pips on the exit. Now the short. That was a huge win. With price flattening out like that, the indicator's math was able to catch up, and we weren't in a position to give back much. Well done. Let's see what's up next. That was a pretty wild run. Did you notice the area where the indicator skated just above the zero line? Remember, stay the course and be sure to follow the rules. There would have been profits, probably a continuation trade, and a tidy addition to your bottom line. Now the short. We had enough of a move to get some profits. Your first half would have closed on the plus side, and while it's a bit difficult to see how the second half would have done, using this as an exit signal would have not been prudent. That was a loser, right out of the gate. It happens, it's totally fine, and we just pick ourselves up and soldier on. We'll start off this last trade and see how it shapes up before wrapping up. So, smooth as a noodle, right? We like this one, but not as an exit. Signals as a C2 are in order, and given that it's easy to adjust and simple to use, give it a go and find out for yourself if you like this one. Get this extra from the Stonehill Forex Indicator library at no cost. The link is in the video's description. I know we're on fire, but we're just not going to give you any financial advice. You don't need it. Plus, everything you do need is right here at Stonehill Forex. Our only goal is to make you a better trader.